In Lesson 6, we learned how operation strategy plays a key role in supporting the overall strategic direction of a business in the hospitality and tourism industry. The lesson clarified that operation strategy is developed after the broader business strategy, ensuring that resources are allocated effectively to achieve organizational goals. It was interesting to see how this process requires collaboration among team members to align operational plans with the company's vision. This highlighted the importance of strategic thinking in resource management to maintain competitiveness. The lesson helped us understand the connection between high-level planning and day-to-day operation in achieving long-term success. We explored the key concept of quality management control in the hospitality industry. We learned that quality management involves overseeing activities and tasks to ensure the consistent level of excellence. The lesson emphasized the importance of establishing a quality policy, as well as developing and implementing strategies for quality planning, assurance, control, and improvement. It was fascinating to see how these elements work together to enhance guest satisfaction and operational efficiency. This lesson reinforced the significance of maintaining high standards to achieve success in the competitive hospitality sector. In this lesson, we learned that successful managers in today's business environment are those who can effectively use budget as tools for both departmental and personal access. The guide provided a clear and practical understanding of the three key stages of budgeting: preparing, writing, and monitoring. These stages were explained in detail, helping us see how they contribute to creating accurate and useful budgets. The lesson also emphasized the importance of effectively communicating budgetary requirements as a crucial managerial skill. This knowledge equips us with essential tools to improve budget quality and enhance organizational efficiency. We learned about the critical role productivity plays in workplace profitability and competitiveness. The lesson explained how increasing workforce productivity can lead to higher profits without the need to expand the headcount, which strengthens a company's chances for long-term success in competitive markets. We also explored the importance of measuring productivity accurately to identify and address barriers to improve it. This highlighted how effective data use can help business leaders optimize their team's performance. The lesson provided valuable insights into boosting efficiency and sustaining success in today's business environment. In Lesson 10, we learn about the importance of efficiency and effectiveness in the workplace and in their impact on organizational success. The lesson highlighted the key elements influencing quality: people, facilities, and materials must be understood and managed effectively. We discussed how these elements shape the quality of a firm's output and how they align with the organization's strategy. Additionally, the lesson emphasized the need to examine the conversion process once the strategy is in place to ensure resources are utilized efficiently. This provided valuable insights into optimizing operations to enhance quality and performance in the workplace. In Lesson 7, we explored the function of supply chain management and its vital role in managing supplies and processes throughout all stages of a project, product, or business deliverable. We learn about the journey materials take as they move from one place to another, with logistics focusing on transporting finished product to customers. Supply chain management ensures this process runs efficiently while aligning all aspects of the business to maximize resource profitability. The lesson also emphasized the importance of managing not only supplies but also the people involved in the process. This provided a comprehensive understanding of how supply chain management supports operational success and customer satisfaction. In Lesson 12, we learned about key sales terminologies and strategies to motivate teams to drive sales effectively. The lesson emphasized that in the hospitality industry, products and services are the lifeblood of an organization, making sales a critical component of success. We explored the challenges posed by fluctuating rates that vary daily and seasonally, highlighting the need for managers to handle this dynamic strategically. By understanding this concept, managers can optimize profitability while keeping their teams motivated and focused. This lesson provided practically insights into managing sales operations in the ever-changing hospitality industry.